Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three job updates for today. So the first company it is Real Page, and the second one is BSG, that is Boston Consulting Group, and the third one is the United Airlines. So these are the three companies for today. So before that, do like the video. So we shall quickly see the job details and everything for all of these three companies. So the first company, that is Real Page. So the role they are hiring, so it is for developer analyst 1, and the salary of the CTC, so it ranges from 7 to 12 lakhs per annum, and the experience needed, so it is for freshers, and the work location is Hyderabad. So we shall quickly see the more details and everything and the skills which are required to apply for this role. So coming to the eligibility criteria, so you need to have the bachelor's degree in either computer science or any other technical streams or analytical role, so they are eligible to apply. And as they are hiring for the analyst, so you need to have knowledge on SQL programming and also basic knowledge of testing the various API calls. So these are the two skills which are needed. So like you need to have knowledge on executing and analyzing the various SQL queries and then analyzing the API request, and also like one should evaluate the patterns like behavior of the software. So these are the main skills which are needed to apply for this role. So here there are two options to apply. You can apply with LinkedIn or you can apply now. So if you already have the LinkedIn, you can just click on apply with LinkedIn. So your profile will be already there, and like you can just add your resume and submit, or else you can manually apply just by clicking on apply now. So for this you need to sign in, so you can just click on sign in like if you already have the account, or else you need to sign up. So you need to create your separate account, like you need to enter the email address password, so you can just create the separate account for this, and then later you can just sign in and you can start filling the application form. So for this if you are new to this, you can just click on register now and you can just add all the required details, and later you can just sign in and you can just fill the application for this. So this was all about the first company, that is Real Page, and the second one, that is BCG, that is Boston Consulting Group. So the role they are hiring, so it is for AI engineer, that is artificial intelligence engineer, and the salary of the CTC, so 17 to 24 lakhs per annum, and they are looking for both freshers as well as experienced graduates. So those who has knowledge of AI or those who has interest in AI, so they are eligible. And the work location, so there are two locations, like the Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, and the second location is Gurgaon. So these are the two locations for this company. So we shall see the more details and everything for this. So you can see, like as they're hiring for the AI, so the main thing is that you need to be strong in Python programming, and if you have knowledge on any other programming languages such as R programming, so it will be an added advantage. So make sure that you are good in Python programming to apply for this role. And second thing is that as they are looking for AI, so you need to have knowledge on various AI, that is artificial intelligence or ML models, that is machine learning models, which includes the various deep learning models. So these are the skills, and like you need to have knowledge on generative AI stack like LLM, that is large language models, then the foundation models, various vector bases and orchestration stack. And apart from that, like you need to have knowledge on AI frameworks, like it can be RAG framework or LangChain, and knowledge of vector databases such as Pinecone or Chroma, and then deep understanding of the data processing frameworks like Databricks as well as Airflow, and knowledge of API frameworks like Django as well as Flask is needed. And you need to have understanding of the cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure as well as GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. So this is the complete tech stack which is needed to apply for this role. So to apply, you can just click on apply now, and for that you can just sign in with your Google account, and later you will be navigated to the application form. So this is the first step in the application form. So this there are six different steps to complete this form. So first step is you need to click, like you need to check this agree, and you can click on continue. So you will be navigated to the first form, that is your personal information. So you can see, like the first step will be you need to fill your personal information. So first step is you need to upload your resume. So you can just click on apply now. So like first step, it's showing the resume is missing. So once you just sign in with your account, first step is you need to upload your updated resume. So there will be two options. You can upload the resume or you can just manually fill. So you can choose any of the two options. So you can upload the resume, and then the second step will be you need to enter your personal details. So you can do add that, and then you can mention the experience details, and then you need to add few of the skills. So you can add the ML skills as well as the AI related skills, and you can just agree the terms and you can submit the application form for this. So this was all about the second company, that is Boston Consulting Group, and the third company, that is United Airlines. So the role they are hiring, so it is for software developer 1, and the salary at the CTC, so 14 to 18 lakhs per annum. And the experience, so the minimum 2 plus years of experience is needed to apply for this role, and the work location is Gurugram. So then coming to the skills which are needed, like the qualification needed is that you need to have bachelor's degree in either computer science or any other related technical streams, and the minimum experience is that 2 plus years of experience is needed to apply for this role. And coming to the skills, like you need to be strong in either C or C++ programming or Python programming, and good to have knowledge on shell scripting, and you need to have knowledge on databases like MySQL database is needed, and then exposure to various cloud services like EC2 instances, storage services S3, then CloudFront as well as the Lambda. So these are the main skills which are needed, and you need to have working knowledge and skills using the Linux environment, and working knowledge of version control tools like Git or GitHub. So this is the complete tech stack which is needed, and apart from that you need to know the flow of SDLC, that is software development life cycle. So after that you can just click on apply now to apply for this role. So you can see this is the simple application form. So the first thing is user information. So you can just enter your email address and click on continue. So after that you will be navigated to the next step in which you need to enter your personal information. So you can add your personal information, your education details and experience details, everything. And there will be few general questions, like you need to mention your rating in programming languages. So you just need to rate yourself in the skill, like for the skills which they have mentioned. And there will be few job specific questions. Then like are you willing to relocate to the place, like that. So there will be few job related questions, and the next step will be the work and education. So you can just add your work experience, education details. Then after that the next step will be the voluntary information. So there will be few questions, voluntary disclosure questions. You can just answer those, and last step will be review and submit. So you can just review your application form and submit it. So this is the complete step to apply for this role, that is for this company, that is United Airlines. So this was all about the third company, that is United Airlines. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description. You can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.